आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि व्हाट इज React.js. React.js is a popular open source JavaScript library for building user interface, primarily for web application. It was developed by Facebook and is widely used for creating fast, scalable, and interactive interface by breaking them down into reusable component. Why use React.js? Like भाई हम React.js की यूज करते हैं इसलिए कि React allow to build encapsulated component that manage their own state, making the code more reusable, maintainable, and scalable. Then instead of updating the real DOM directly, React maintain a lightweight virtual DOM. When the state of an object changes, only the specific component is updated, resulting in improving performance and efficiency. Write HTML-like code JSX within JavaScript, making the code clear and easier to understand. React.js is especially useful for building simple page and application. Dynamic web application and project have benefit from a module component-based UI. Then by आता है what is React Hook? Hooks were added to React in version 16.8. Hooks let you use state and other React features without writing a classes. Although state have largely replaced classes in React, there is no plan for removing classes from React. Things you need to keep in mind while using Hook. You must improve Hook first. You must import it from React. Hook can only be called in React function component, meaning hooks cannot be conditional. Hooks cannot work in React class component. Some kind of hooks like use state, use effect, use context, use ref, use reducer, use callback, and use memo. Next day, okay, that's enough today. Next day, I will discuss all the React hooks. Okay, Tata.